Happy Father's Day, Lenny.
Well, thank you very much. As you know, it's Father's Day, and I'm out here sweating my brains off grilling my own dinner. However, I have a
Hey.
quick tip for all you people out there. Quick barbecue tip. If you like sausage and you like pepper, watch this one. Get your sausage, your pepper, take them off the grill, cook them for a few minutes just to get happy. Then you're going to take your sausage, which are like 3/4 of the way cooked. Take the sausage, stuff the pepper out. It's a little hot. There you go. Put it back. Take the sausage, stuff it in. Let that cool because it's a little hot. Take your sausage, stuff it in the pepper. Put it on the grill.
What kind of peppers are those?
Italian sweet sausage.
And what kind of peppers?
Cubanelles. Green sweet Cubanelles. You could use any long pepper that you like, but these I thought would. Come on. There you go. There you go.
One more.
Oh,
We just cut the stem off, took the seeds out.
there you go.
There you go.
That's another tip, a quick tip from Larry's Cooking with Larry, Life with Larry, Everything Larry. Have a great day. Surround yourself with the things that you love. And subscribe if you like this. And like us. Happy Father's Day. And thank you, Terry, for filming this one.
You're welcome.
Ciao.
Goodbye.